Good morning, YouTubers. I was having my breakfast in the living room watching Carl's 1,000 subscriber giveaway video. Sweet. The man deserves all the viewers he can get. But what I was doing, I had all these zip ties I picked up in my travels on the ground, and I either cut them apart with scissors if they're long enough, or you get a knife with a real sharp pointy point, like the Wyatt Hines knife, mini knife. You set your zip tie on the edge here, and there's a little plastic tab. You push that in, how about that? Is that a cheap bastard tip or not? Sweet. Save yourself a few cents. But if they're all mashed up and run over, they've been in the road too long, it's not worth picking up, because they won't hold, and you got to be careful you don't bend these back too much or they won't grip it again. So you too can be a cheap bastard. But wait, there's more. We're gonna do an ice cream cone review from Benton's. They make ice cream and these waffle cones. Michelle, come here. Taste test time, baby. Come on, girl. Michelle, come on. Ice cream. It's got crunchability, baby. Take a bite. It's a delight. Dog approved. Like my YouTube channel.